Okay, my little AP warriors, happy Friday. Today is the end of bimester one. Wow. Okay, it's been great. Let me just say first that you guys, you've been awesome, really awesome. Not just in terms of the work that you're doing, which is awesome. I can't remember really being happier with a group of students at this point in the year in terms of the progress that you made. You're really, really progressing quickly and catching on really, really well. So I'm super excited about that. But just how flexible you guys are, how kind you are, how patient you are. We're still dealing with a pandemic. It's not over, and it's been pretty, as obviously as we've seen this week, it's not over. But you guys have just been great, and you've been great to work with, and I appreciate your flexibility, and I appreciate your smiles and your willingness to take chances and to try new things. So I just wanted to say that first. I hope you all have a nice vacation. Please take it easy. Don't do any work. I'm not assigning you any work. So there's that. Okay, let's talk about argument paragraph number 4. Why don't we go ahead and just put the brakes on that? A lot of you are doing the revisions from the chapters that are based on the last paragraph that you did, paragraph 3. So why don't we just wait until I give you the feedback on paragraph 3? A lot of you have already gotten feedback on paragraph 3. About half of you have not. I will try to get through that in the next few days. And so let's just say that paragraph 4 will be due that week we get back, okay? And I'll probably end up putting it on bimester 2 grades. If that's not okay with anyone, you can contact me personally and we'll figure something out, okay? Then as far as, so that was it. The only other thing I wanted to say was I really, really, really need you to take that survey, the AP survey. A couple of people have come to me to talk with me about taking the exam. Again, I recommend that everyone takes it. I understand that that's not practical for some of you in terms of either money or just because of the load that you're carrying. But I think that it's important. I think that you've earned the right to take that exam, and I can't think of one of you that by May won't be in a really good position to do well. So please take the survey. Please sign up for the exam. Take the exam. And please have a nice safe vacation, and I'll see you all when we get back, okay? Peace, you guys. Love you.